In a small town nestled between rolling hills and sparkling streams, there lived a young woman named Emma. Emma was known throughout her neighborhood for her radiant, glowing skin that seemed to have a natural sheen. Curious glances and whispered conversations often surrounded her wherever she went, all eager to know her secret. One sunny day, her friend Lily decided she couldn't bear the mystery any longer. "Emma, how do you manage to keep your skin so luminous? You must tell me," she exclaimed with genuine curiosity. Emma laughed, not with scorn but with a kind frequency resonating kindness and warmth. "Ah, Lily, it's not such a grand secret. It's the power of nature combined with a little routine." Every morning, Emma began her day with a glass of warm water mixed with a teaspoon of honey and a splash of lemon juice. This concoction detoxified her body from the inside, contributing in part to her noticeable glow. Next, she followed a simple skincare regimen using homemade products. Emma fervently believed in harnessing the power of domestic articles, those treasures hiding within everyone's kitchen cabinets. Her favorite was the oatmeal mask, finely ground oatmeal mixed with yogurt and honey. "Oh, really? A homemade mask?" Lily asked, intrigued. "Yes," Emma nodded. "Oatmeal is soothing, yogurt reaches deep to moisturize, and honey acts as a natural antibacterial agent. Together, they create a harmony that calms and refreshes." Every evening, Emma indulged in a facial steam using chamomile and green tea. This helped her pores to remain unclogged and kept her skin refreshed. "I learned this from my grandmother. She always said, 'What you can't pronounce, don't put on your skin,'" Emma explained with a chuckle, remembering the words of wisdom passed down through generations. Emma also had another trick up her sleeve: a balanced diet comprising rich sources of vitamins like oranges, spinach, and almonds, keeping her skin and mind healthy. "Is that all?" Lily asked, slightly taken aback by the simplicity. "Skincare doesn't need to be complicated. It's about consistency and respecting your skin, treating it kindly and with patience," Emma assured her. Inspired, Lily resolved to try Emma's recommendations, eager to see if she could achieve even a fraction of that illustrious glow. As the weeks unfolded, Lily noticed a significant change. Her skin not only glowed but felt revitalized.